Hi guys, hope you are all well and studying well at your home. Today we are going to do some torque force related questions in rotational motion, starting from basics to IIT advanced, right? Just watch it. We have two blocks M1 M2, pulley with moment of inertia I and radius R. We have to find acceleration of the masses as well as angular acceleration of the pulley, right? Let's draw free body diagram first. Got this? Contact force by the table acting upward, weight always acts down obviously, tension T is towards right. Now pulley is there. Just mind it, when pulley has got the mass, then same strings behave differently. The string has got the tension T1 this side and T2 this side, which is unknown so far. This is T2 again. Same string, so same string tension here. Same, and this is M2G acting down. This is down, this is right, this is angular acceleration. Now write the equations one by one. This is moving towards right. M1G moving towards right because of one force, T1 only. So force is equal to mass into acceleration, equation 1. This is coming down, so I can write M2G minus T2 is equal to M2A, equation 2, right? This two body has got the same acceleration. Now this pulley is rotating. Rotation is due to torque only. So identify the torque. Torque का formula क्या होता है? Force into perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. ये center है ना? This is the radius and this is the force. So T2 R का torque होगा वो ऐसा होगा. T1 R का भी torque होगा जो कि ऐसा होगा. Right? तो net torque क्या लिखेंगे? This way it is rotating. So net torque will be T2 R minus T1 R. This is the net torque. That is equal to I alpha. Equation 3. अब we know that A is equal to R alpha होता है. अल्फा को मैं रिप्लेस कर रहा हूँ राइटिंग A by R और R को नीचे ले जाऊंगा. So I'm getting T2 minus T1 is equal to I A by R square, equation 4. Now add 1, 2 and 4. So T1 और T1 तो कट, T2 कट, बचा क्या है मेरे पास? ओनली M2G बचेगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. राइट हैंड साइड में A कॉमन ले लो, सो M1 प्लस M2 प्लस I बाई R स्क्वायर. Right. This is the acceleration of the system. Now we can put the value of A here, right? We can get alpha. And easy. Note it down, please. Let's do one more example of force and torque in rotational motion. We have two pulleys, identical one. One is capital mass, one is a small mass. We are asked to find the acceleration of the system, how they accelerate, right? Suppose this is coming down and this is moving up. So this pulley will rotate like this and this will rotate like this. They can't move linearly since these two pulleys are fixed, right? Let's draw the free body diagram of the two. So starting with the left of the pulley, this is right of the pulley. This is capital M and this is small m. While drawing the free body diagram, don't change the relative adjustment of this. है ना? सबका पोजीशन वैसे ही रहने दो. Don't disfigure it, don't change it. Suppose इसके पास टेंशन ऐसा T1 रहा होगा और इस साइड का टेंशन T2 हो जाएगा, है ना? सेम स्ट्रिंग बीच में, तो सेम स्ट्रिंग बीच में कोई मास नहीं है, तो यहाँ भी T2 दिखाना पड़ेगा मुझे और यहाँ T3 दिखाना पड़ेगा और ये T3 ऊपर दिखाएंगे. दिस इज कैपिटल mg, स्मॉल mg एंड दिस इज T1, राइट? दिस इज कमिंग डाउन, तो इसके लिए क्या इक्वेशन लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? mg माइनस T3 इज इक्वल टू ma, इक्वेशन 1. ये ऊपर जा रहा है तो क्या लिखें? T1 माइनस mg इज इक्वल टू ma, इक्वेशन 2. नाउ इट इज रोटेटिंग लाइक दिस, राइट? सो टॉर्क T3 का टॉर्क तो ऐसे लगेगा, लेकिन T2 का टॉर्क ऐसे लगेगा. लेकिन इन दोनों टॉर्क में जीता कौन? T3 का टॉर्क जीत गया. So net torque we can write T3R minus T2R is equal to I alpha, right? इसके लिए क्या लिखें? This is rotating like this. So T2 is a beginner here. So we can write T2R minus T1R is equal to I alpha. This one. अब क्या करें? बिल्कुल ऐसे ही करेंगे जैसे लास्ट टाइम किया था. यहाँ से R को एलिमिनेट कर लो. तो ये इक्वेशन 3 है, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? T3 minus T2 is equal to IA by R square. Similarly, T2 minus T1 IA by R square. अब 1, 2, 3, 4 इन सबको ऐड कर दो, तो मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? कैपिटल mg माइनस स्मॉल mg होल डिवाइडेड बाय, ये तो सारे टर्म्स एडेड होकर इधर आएंगे, उसको मैं नीचे ले सकता हूँ. कैपिटल M प्लस स्मॉल m प्लस 2 times I by R square. This is the acceleration. Please note it down. It's very useful. And if you find it good, just go for the comment, like, share, subscribe. And if you find any doubt in this and you want to some more videos, just comment me. Thank you. It is a hollow cylinder, right? It is a hollow cylinder. The string is wrapped and attached with the ceiling. This is a fixed ceiling. You can assume like this. This is the cylinder. String ऐसे ऐसे लपेट करके इधर लगा दिया गया, फिर इधर इधर लपेट करके ऐसे ऊपर ऐसे लगा दिया गया. Means both are strings on the same side. इनका जो टांगा गया है, जैसे हैंग किया गया है, स्ट्रिंग की साइड सेम है. इधर और इधर स्ट्रिंग नहीं है ना? ऐसे लपेट करके ऐसे लगाया और इधर ऐसे लपेट के फिर इसको ऐसे ऊपर टांग दिया. इसको अगर छोड़ देंगे तो क्या होगा? ऐसे रोल आउट करके नीचे आएगा ना, रोल करेगा ये नीचे. तो ये 2T ऊपर लग रहा है, इसका वेट कैसा लगेगा? mg नीचे लगेगा. तो ये रोल करके गिर रहा है, मीन्स यहाँ टॉर्क भी लग रहा है और फोर्स भी लग रहा है. बोथ थिंग्स आर एक्टिंग हियर. सो वी कैन राइट mg minus 2T is equal to ma. This is the downward force acting. We have to find acceleration of this hollow cylinder, and torque is also acting, right? ये जो क्रॉस सेक्शन वाला एरिया है, क्रॉस सेक्शन है, तो ये जो क्रॉस सेक्शन है, स्ट्रिंग इज लाइक दिस. तो एक्सिस एज्यूम कर लो सेंटर के अबाउट में ऐसा, इट इज रोलिंग लाइक दिस. सो टॉर्क कैसा होगा? T into R. इधर भी T into R. So 2TR is the torque acting. And torque क्या होता है? I into alpha. So 2TR, hollow cylinder is just like a circle one. तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ mr square by 2, इसकी रेडियस है R into alpha. And we also know that we can apply this A is equal to R alpha. So 2TR is equal to mr square by 2. R यहाँ डाल देंगे तो मेरे को मिलेगा A by R square. So T is coming out to be ma by 4. इस T को हम लोग यहाँ डाल सकते हैं and we can find the acceleration. So mg minus ma by 2 आ जाएगा ये 2T, that is equal to ma. m तो गया. So g ये हो जाएगा 2g by 3. This is the acceleration. Please note it down. We have been given a question here. A force F acts tangentially at the highest point of the sphere of mass m kept on the rough horizontal surface. So let's draw the diagram first. This is the sphere and this is the horizontal surface. Tangential force like this, highest point of the sphere. Surface is rough. तो surface is rough means यहाँ पे friction, I have to show the friction. This is the diagram. ऊपर फोर्स लगेगा, हो सकता है पॉइंट इधर स्लिप करना चाहे, दिस वे हो सकता है. तो फ्रिक्शन वी कैन शो लाइक दिस. दिस इज द सेंटर, इसका कुछ रेडियस होगा, लेट इट बी आर, दिस वन. सो there is going to be a rolling without slipping, then find the acceleration of the sphere, right? So diagram is here. So there are two kind of motion. Rolling means linear motion as well as rotational motion. So we can write F plus F is equal to mass into acceleration, equation 1. Now these two forces will also apply some torque about the center of the sphere. So we can imagine axis passing like this. So torque will be like this one due to capital F, and due to friction it will be like this, right? So it is rolling like this way. So we can write Fr minus Fr is equal to I alpha, equation 2. And in case of rolling, we can apply acceleration is equal to R alpha, equation 3. Now let's solve it. F minus F I can write IA by R square. This is equation 4. Just add 1 and 4. F will get cancelled out, small f, friction will get cancelled out. So 2F is equal to I by R square plus M, this is equal to A. Now since it is a sphere, nothing in dimensionless, we can take it as a solid sphere. In place of I, we can put 2 by 5 mr squared. This is 2 by 5 mr square. So this is coming out to be A is equal to 10F by 7. Got it? It's a very important question. Please note it down. So we are moving ahead in case of force and torque, and we are going to find the acceleration of this block M, and this is a, you can say, a pulley which will go down as well as rotate. So watch this carefully because it is a little bit twist kind of thing. Let's draw free body diagram, but before the drawing free body diagram, we must relate the acceleration of the two. When this mass will move ahead, this pulley will go down. So this is the line of action of the pulley, line of motion of the pulley, right? Just see this. Suppose this length is x. I am using constraint relation to relate the acceleration of these two bodies. This is L. Suppose this is your y. This will also become y. Now, total length of the string can be written as x plus 2y is equal to L. Now differentiate this. So dx by dt plus 2 into dy by dt is equal to 0. So as time passes, this length will decrease. So I am putting minus sign here. So minus, I can say velocity of the block plus 2 times dy by dt, this represents velocity of the pulley, is equal to 0. Again differentiate this. This becomes acceleration of the block plus this represents acceleration of the pulley is equal to 0. मैं इसको पुली नाम दे रहा हूँ, डिस्क नाम दे दूँ, कुछ भी नाम दे दूँ. Now I am getting acceleration of the block is equal to 2 times acceleration of the pulley. It is given that pulley is rolling. That means I can say this is the AP, acceleration of the center of mass of the pulley. So alpha A is equal to R into alpha. This is the relation we know in case of rolling. So this is the relation of acceleration we got, which is a very, very important thing. Now for this, I am drawing the free body diagram. This is let it be T1. और इस पुली के लिए क्या करेंगे? T1 ये लेंगे और T2 ये लेंगे. You know very well, this pulley is going to rotate, that's why. And this is your capital M. This is your small mg. I am writing like this. Got it? So for the linear motion, I can write T1 is equal to capital M, equation 1. And for this, I am writing mg minus T1 minus T2 is equal to acceleration of the pulley. MAB, AB means acceleration of the block, AP means acceleration of pulley. Now rotate this. This will rotate and go down as well. So I am writing, this will rotate like this. तो मैं क्या लिखूंगा? मैं लिखूंगा T2 minus T1 into R alpha, this one. Or you can say T2 minus T1 is equal to acceleration pulley upon r square. I have used here. I have replaced alpha. So I am getting this. So equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Now we can solve it very easily. We have to just replace this here. In place of AP, I can write AB by 2. So AB by 2 is equal to acceleration of the pulley. So in place of AP, I am writing AB by 2. AB by 2. Here also AB by 2. So we have to find acceleration of block only. Now I am adding this and this. So T2 gone. इसे भी ऐड कर देते हैं. This and this. T1 gone, T2 gone. तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? mg. Sorry, T1 minus T1 is equal to A becomes common. A block becomes common. M plus m by 2 plus I by 2r square. This is the equation we are getting. And in place of T1, I can again put it MAB. Right? So I am getting mg minus capital MAB is equal to AB. And for solving, after solving, I am getting mg is equal to 2m plus m by 2 plus I by 2r square. So this entire thing can come down and you can put the values if you have, otherwise this is the answer. Just note it down, it's very important thing.